We are here at the Drum Circle in Bernice Garden in Little Rock, Arkansas. I got Mark to interview with me.
Y'all already know what it's at, man. Check it. Y'all already know what it's at.
And Alexander is here on the drums. And we just finished the filming about an hour ago with Circle Time with our individuals.
Stop this for a minute. Yes. Now we have Marcus over there too. Do you know that? Not even.
Yeah, Marcus is here.
What's going on?
Hi, Marcus.
How are you?
Hi.
What's going on? How you doing?
Good.
Yes, ma'am.
You guys are doing some awesome stuff out there.
Listen, we trying to be like you when we grow up. You know what I'm saying? That's just it. We trying to be like you when we grow up.
Marcus, I thought you were older than me. Laugh out loud.
Right. I think I am.
Yeah, we were here earlier, about an hour ago, did a filming with the young adults and adults with autism and additional needs. There was a filming and a discussion group with them to kind of help implement small talk. And then afterwards, we're doing our regular drum circle for the next hour. So
Alexander is doing.
So we were here earlier. So we got a videographer here who's also recording the drum circle itself and did the video of the initial group, small talk group, and there was a performance that was done by the individuals initially this morning. So we're all been here a little bit early. Yeah, it ended up being a good turnout. We made some good connections, and we're trying to get with those individuals to do some small talk mini groups with Alexander because he's an only child, and I met one other mom that has an only child with special needs. So we're going to try to get together and do some practicing with small talk and having conversations, especially for those that have selective verbalization or that are nonverbal completely. So we're just trying to encouraging more interaction with other like mine and other individuals that are going through some of the same challenges. So
Awesome.
and I'm gonna let you see some of this now. So.
You can see Alexander playing something.
Okay. What now?
I'm saying I can see Alexander is playing something. He's enjoying also.
Yeah, they're yes. Once we get the video footage, I'm sure they're gonna post it, and I'll make sure I let you guys know so that you can download the link and share it on your platforms. But this is what it is today. So then tomorrow, Alexander has a photo shoot tomorrow for the podcast and a possible magazine feature. So we got to do our first photo shoot tomorrow. So I'm trying to prepare him for that. Yes, ma'am.
I see that Marcus isn't playing the drums. Did he want to, but they just didn't have enough? Or is he like, no, I'm not interested?
Marcus informed me that he's here to support his little brother. And so I informed him he could do whatever he wanted to do. There's no pressure. And that's just one of my things I do for anybody that has additional needs is that there's no pressure to be rigid or routine or, do what you want to do. But at the same time, Marcus is going to ride with us for a couple hours today. So we've got him for a couple of hours. I'm going to take him to the house. And of course, I got to get him a bite to eat because he hasn't eaten anything. Guess we got up too early, but after we finish this, we're gonna go get a bite to eat, and then we're gonna go to our home and do some visiting, some fellowshipping before I take him home.
Now, Miss Veronica, somebody reached out to me from Louisiana.
Okay.
Where's Louisiana?
Louisiana is like, it's right down there with Alabama, Mississippi.
Okay.
New Orleans, Louisiana, yeah. It's down on the Gulf.
I thought it was like next to you and that you were sending me somebody.
No, I haven't sent anybody yet. So what were they interested in?
They said they've been checking out our website and they want us to come to Louisiana to present to it's for cerebral palsy.
Oh,
Okay.
wow. That's
a good thing.
Yeah.
Yeah, honey, just because they're from the South don't mean I sent them to you. They just see good work.
I don't know anybody from the South.
All are doing good work.
I'm like, okay, they've got to be down there.
This is your opportunity to meet new people in different regions of the country. So it's all good.
Well, good job, lady. I'm going to introduce them to you so that you know who they are, and maybe you can also share.
Okay, no problem.
Thank you.
Yeah. Are they on here with us today?
Oh my gosh, all the people that were supposed to be here, we had 7 women, and one actually texted me and said, I'll be on there, but I have a headache. And I'm like, okay. No, nobody showed.
Oh,
Yeah.
well, it's always next time.
Yeah.
We just got to keep pushing.
I start classes Monday night.
Are you nervous?
I am. I don't know why, but I am. I just, and I think it's because I looked at my campus email, and when your professor starts sending you the links and your syllabi and all that, and it's like I've got like 20 freaking emails from my professors that I've got to go through today and just catch up on some preliminary orientation type stuff. So I'm like, okay, let me get my glass of wine and get prepared for this, because I've got to hit it down with both feet from day one, so I don't fall behind. But it's all online, so I'll be okay.
You'll be okay. You've got this.
Yeah. I know, right? I have no choice.
She is the mother of 2 big,
Big boys.
Big boys.
Yeah.
Big. And I got a little bit of the video. Alexander took Marcus by the hand and had Marcus walk around with him hand in hand. So I got a couple of pictures of that.
What is going on? Look back. What they are doing? Just look back. They're talking to each other. You missed that.
Yeah.
They're talking to each other.
Yeah.
See? And he's laughing.
Oh, yeah, you do. Great.
Yeah.
I bet you they're great friends, huh?
It feels good to see them together. Yes, absolutely. That's what I've been waiting on. And so we're going to try to make sure we, stay in contact with one another in person as well as by phone as often as we can. So
how are you guys close to each other, Veronica?
We're about a 20-minute drive from one another.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You guys are all so busy. I love it.
I know, right? I'm like, wow, I'm too busy.
It's a good feeling though, don't you think?
Yeah, I was telling, as we're sharing today, and I said I wasn't going to talk about this again, but I'm going to say this one little thing. Some of the individuals around that event, they've been instructed to block me or unfriend me.
Let them do that.
Can you believe that? I was expecting it though, so it's all good. Because one thing about it, rotten food
You know,
rotten fruit will fall away from the
we
tree on
laugh
its
at
own.
these things.
So, huh?
You know what, Veronica? It's such a divided world, and that's how people are going to respond to the way we treat others. If they don't like somebody, they're just going to remove them from their life. And you know, I think that
I don't think it's that. I don't think it's that. I think it's when people can't control you to meet their needs. You know, there are people out here they talk inclusion, they talk acceptance, but a lot of people have the narcissistic behavior where they want to control you, and if they can't control you, they get rid of you.
yeah, we
That's been my
have that
experience.
same problem here in Arizona, so it just happens.
I mean, it's part of it. When you're an advocate or an activist of sorts, that's part of it. You know, when
who's blocking this kind of stuff, she will tell you what kind of problem we are facing over here. What do you think, Dr. Gupta?
for me, when someone exiles themselves from me, I'm fine with that because I come from a family that did it to me at a young age. So it doesn't hurt my feelings. It doesn't surprise me. It's not going to stop me from being a boy. It's not going to stop me from speaking. Right. You have to. You can't because
And Veronica, we're never going to have a fuel shortage.
right. You know,
There's
but
always
at
going to be that issue.
You're going to have someone take care of you. You're going to be a Marcus Boyd. You're going to be an Alexander Myers. You're going to be, maybe a stroke recovery survivor or what have you. And you're going to have someone take care of you. So karma is real. And so do you carry that conflicting and that controlling behavior that script gets flipped, then you get to feel what you've inflicted on others. So that's why I try to be as positive as I can. I try to help when I can. I do lead with my heart, and I'm loyal to a fault. But I do expect that to be reciprocated. And if it's not, I don't change who I am. I just change who I'm around. And a lot of times just speaking my truth gets rid of the bad apples. So
You're a shepherd.
I wouldn't say all that.
No, I believe it.
I just do what I'm here to do, and
yeah. But Veronica, with the life you talk about when you grow up, it would be easy for you to go in the opposite direction, and you chose not to. You had the choice to do something different, so you didn't allow your negatives to become your negatives and become who you are. And right. There's a lot of people out there that maybe they didn't have those hard times in life, and so that's why they create hard times, because they don't have those hard times, and they don't understand that side of it. So but I think those same people that bully, I call it bullying, those same people that are bullies, they will eventually be bullied, and then one day they might grow up, and maybe not. I mean, I deal with women that are in their 50s and 60s that act like that, and I just, like you said, I don't have time. We're too busy.
And those that want families that need help. We're also helping people that want the help. Because you can't save a person that doesn't want to be part of their own rescue, right? So we're helping those that need it. We're helping those that want it. We're helping those that are inspiring to do better, to help others, because the goal is to learn your gift and then share it with others, to give that gift away. And if people don't see that for the amazing blessing that it is, then it's their loss. Oh, they're getting started again. Yeah. And there go the two brothers right there.
Bring them to the camera. I want them to talk a little bit. Both of them.
Dr. Khan wants to talk to him. Dr. Khan wants you to say something to him.
What you want me to say? What's going on?
Yes, mommy. I want Alexander to come also. Hello. Hello, Alexander. How are you, Alexander? How are you? How you brothers are doing?
What's going on, legend?
Yeah.
Preoccupied with the drums. He likes the drums.
Yeah, they are.
Get off here so we can go and
Enjoy.
like I said, we've been here for an hour and a half, so it's time to get a bite to eat and go to the house and get in the coolness of the air. So we'll touch base with you. You guys are gonna be on for what, another 20 minutes?
Yeah.
About another 20
Yeah.
minutes. If we go ahead.
Y'all keep being superheroes. You know what I'm saying? Ricky, you already know what it is. Khan, you already know what it is. You know what I'm saying? Nice to meet the lady on the third row.
Oh,
You know what I'm saying?
Marcus, that's Dr. Abbasi. Dr. Abbasi.
Dr. Abbasi, nice to meet you.
Hi.
You know what I'm saying? It's definitely. You know what I'm saying?
So it's good seeing you, ladies. I'll touch base with you.
And to you.
And I'll get the pictures to you, Dr. Khan, so you can share.
Thank you so much for
Okay.
speaking of the progressive nature about these things. I always push you all. I am the one pushing you all the time. Thank you.
We love it.
Talk to you soon.
Soon, bye-bye.
Okay. Bye-bye.
Thank you. That was amazing.